two approaches to changing neuroplasticity, right? To changing your brain. One is a top-down approach, things like using your mind and cognition to actually create changes in your body and your subjective experience, things like meditation, cognitive-based talk therapy. And then the other is a bottom-up approach, and basically meaning that techniques that work through the body to create a change in response in your brain. I'm a chiropractor as well as a neuroscientist. I would be remiss if I didn't say when you adjust the spine, when you use the chiropractic adjustment to stimulate the spine, you actually create changes in the brain that impact the same areas that alter the pain processing networks. Polyvagal theory, stimulating the vagus nerve can actually change the pain processing areas of your brain and the same areas that are impacted, let's say, that give us the conscious experience of being a human being, can be impacted by these bottom-up approaches. Now, what's really cool about using a bottom-up approach, because top-down doesn't always work. Some people go to talk therapy, ineffective, right? What's cool about the bottom-up approach, things like especially vagal stimulation, which I'm particularly interested in, is it actually helps to recalibrate the autonomic nervous system. And what does that mean? We can reset the nervous system, reset the tone that really controls our experience of being a human being.